Hello, welcome everybody in the online classes session. Last time we talked about the Pandu and anemia. Now we're coming on Kamla and jaundice. In Ayurveda classics, Charak has mentioned that this quotation पांडुरोगी तु योत्यथम पितलानि सेवते. This is very important. What is the meaning of this description? Jaundice when anemia results from abnormal breakdown of red blood cell in the context of hemolytic anemia. If the patient suffering from Pandu indulges in pith aggravating diet and regimes, the pith so aggravated burns the rakt and mass. यद तस्य पित्तम अश्रुगु मासम दग्ध्वा, है ना? The pith so aggravated burns the rakt and mass, muscle tissue and blood to cause the disease Kamla. Rogaya kalpate Kamla. Now coming to the sign and symptoms of the Kamla. Haridra netra, eyes, Haridra twak nakh anand, eyes, skin, nail, face of the patient become exceedingly yellow. Rakt pitta sakrun mutro, blood and urine become red and yellow in color, like bhek varna. It is like frog, color of frog. Develop complexion like frog. Ratendriya, sense get impaired. Dah vipak dorbalya, sudden aruchi karsita. Feeling like burning sensation, indigestion, weakness, prostration and anorexia. This is caused by excess of pith mainly. कामला बहुपित ऐसा कोष्ठ शाखा श्रेयामता. तो दो टाइप का कामला है. It is of two type. One of located in the gastrointestinal tract, costasid, and the other is located in the peripheral tissues, the shakhasid. Now coming to next, Chikitsa Sutra of this संशोध्यो मृदुभिस्त्यक्ते कामलितु विरेचने ताभ्याम संशुद्ध कोष्ठाभ्याम पथ्यान्नानि दाप्यते. Treatment of the curable patient of Kamla are being described. The patient suffering from Kamla should be given purgative therapy with mild and bitter drug. मृदुभिस्तिक्त mild drug देनी है और तिक्त रस युक्त purgative drugs देनी है. ठीक है. और पथ्या के बारे में बोले तो after the gastrointestinal tract is cleaned by the above mentioned elimination therapies, both these type of patients should be given wholesome food content orsal rice, barley, wheat mixed with use vegetable soup, modak, green gram, adgi, black gram, masoor, red gram, etc. On the basis of dosa's aggravation to cause the disease, specific medicine are to be administered to these two categories patient, which will be described next slide. Now, before purgation therapy, we have to administer grit for the ball. For the purpose of ovulation, the patient suffering from Pandu or Kamla should be give Panchagavya grit, Mahatikta grit and Kalyana grit. Also, Darimati grit is there, Pathya grit is, Daktadi grit is there, or Haridradi grit is there. 1 press of ghee collected from the buffalo milk should be boiled by adding the decoction of 5 pearls of daru hydra, and the paste of kaliyag. This medicated ghee also cures the कामला. अगर कामला के पेशेंट को पurgation देना है तो paste of half pearl of danti mixed with jaggery, Trivrit with decoction of Trifla also can be given. Recipes में क्या दे सकते हैं तो in the morning decoction of Trifla, गुड़ची, देवदार, वैदी, क्वाथ and nimb. After cooling and adding honey, उसमें टेस्ट के हिसाब से शहद मिला सकते हैं. Now coming to modern point of view, jaundice. Jaundice, also known as icterus, is a yellowish pigmentation of the skin, the conjunctival membranes over the sclera and the mucous membrane caused by high bilirubin levels. Concentration of bilirubin in the blood is normally below 1.2 milligram per dl, but concentration is higher than the approx 3 milligram per dl leads to jaundice. The main symptoms of jaundice is yellowish discoloration of white area of the eye and skin. The conjunctiva of the eye are one of the first tissue to change color of bilirubin level rise in jaundice. Coming to type of jaundice according to modern science. Prehepatic amla, the pathology is occurring prior to the liver. Hepatic amla, hepatocellular, the pathology is located within the liver. Posthepatic or cholestatic, the pathology located after the conjugation or bilirubin in the liver. The first one, prehepaticular jaundice, caused by anything which causes an increased rate of hemolysis, breakdown of red blood cell. Unconjugated bilirubin comes from the breakdown of the heme pigmentation found in the red blood cell hemoglobin. The increased breakdown of red blood cell leads to an increase in the amount of unconjugated bilirubin present in the blood, and deposition of this unconjugated bilirubin into various tissue can lead to jaundiced appearance. In jaundice, secondary to hemolysis, the increased production of bilirubin leads to increased production of also urinogin. Bilirubin is not usually found in the urine because unconjugated bilirubin is not water soluble. लेबोरेटरी फाइंडिंग में क्या क्या मिल सकता है, तो यूरिन नो बिलिरुबिन प्रेजेंट, सीरम इंक्रीज अनकंजुगेटेड बिलिरुबिन लेवल. Next one is hepatocellular. Hepatocellular jaundice can be caused by acute or chronic hepatotoxicity, cirrhosis, drug-induced hepatitis, or alcoholic liver diseases. Cell necrosis reduces the liver's ability to metabolize and excrete bilirubin, leading to buildup of unconjugated bilirubin in the blood. लेबोरेटरी फाइंडिंग्स में डिपेंड अपॉन द कॉज हो गया, तो यूरिन में कॉन्जुगेटेड बिलिरुबिन प्रेजेंट मिलेगा हेपेटोसेलुलर में. बिलिरुबिन ट्रांसपोर्ट across the hepatocellular site may be impaired at any point between the uptake of unconjugated bilirubin into the cell and transport of conjugated bilirubin into the biliary canali. In addition, swelling of cell and edema due to inflammation of cause mechanical obstruction of interhepatic biliary tree. Hence, in hepatocellular jaundice, concentration of both unconjugated and conjugated bilirubin rise in the blood. This is the cause. The unconjugated bilirubin still enter the liver cell and become conjugated in usually way. This conjugated bilirubin then return to the blood, probably by rupture of the congested bile canalicle. Thus, most of the bilirubin in the plasma becomes the conjugated type rather than the unconjugated type. And this conjugated bilirubin, which did not go to the intestine to become urobilinogen, gives the urine the dark color. This is the reason of urine of dark color. Next one is posthepaticular. Posthepatic jaundice, also called obstructive jaundice, is caused by an interruption to the drainage of bile containing conjugated bilirubin in the biliary system. The most common cause are gallstone in the common bile duct and pancreatic cancer in the head of the pancreas. Other causes also include stricture of the common bile duct, biliary atresia, and pancreatitis. In complete obstruction of the bile duct, no urobilinogen is found in the urine, since bilirubin has to access to the intestine, and it is the intestine that bilirubin gets converted to urobilinogen to be later released into the general circulation. In this case, presence of bilirubin conjugated in the urine without urine urobilinogen suggests the obstructive jaundice, either intrahepatic or posthepatic. The presence of pale stool and dark urine suggests an obstructive or posthepatic cause, as normal feces get their color from bile pigments. Patient has often complained of severe itching or pruritus because of the deposition of bile salts. Here is one table for diagnostic test. In the prehepatic jaundice, total bilirubin increased and in the hepatic jaundice or post-hepatic jaundice, total bilirubin is increased also. In the pre-hepatic jaundice, conjugated bilirubin is normal, but hepatic jaundice and post-hepatic jaundice have conjugated bilirubin is increased. In the pre-hepatic jaundice, unconjugated bilirubin is increased. Also, hepatic jaundice have unconjugated bilirubin increase, but post-hepatic jaundice में unconjugated bilirubin normal होगा. यूरोबिलिनोजन है यूरोबिलिनोजन है वो प्री हेपेटिक जॉन्डिस में नॉर्मल भी हो सकता है, इंक्रीज भी हो सकता है, बट हेपेटिक में डिक्रीज होगा और पोस्ट हेपेटिक में डिक्रीज या तो नेगेटिव होगा. यूरिन कलर प्री हेपेटिक में नॉर्मल रहेगा, बट हेपेटिक में डार्क रहेगा और पोस्ट हेपेटिक में ऑल्सो डार्क रहेगा. वो ड्यू टू द कंजुगेटेड बिलिरुबिन के कारण है. स्टूल कलर प्री हेपेटिक जॉन्डिस में नॉर्मल रहेगा, बट हेपेटिक में नॉर्मल या तो पेल रहेगा और पोस्ट हेपेटिक में पेल स्टूल कलर रहेगा. अल्कलाइन फॉस्फेट लेवल प्री हेपेटिक में नॉर्मल रहेगा, बट हेपेटिक और पोस्ट हेपेटिक में इंक्रीज्ड रहेगा. Alanine transferase and aspirate transferase levels प्री हेपेटिक जॉन्डिस में नॉर्मल रहेंगे, बट हेपेटिक जॉन्डिस और पोस्ट हेपेटिक में इंक्रीज्ड रहेंगे. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर लिसनिंग लेक्चर.